Cadillac time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1991 Cadillac Coupe DeVille with the simulated convertible top and white vinyl. Particular car, medium garnet metallic with the garnet or ruby leather interior. 4.9 liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Horsepower steering, power brakes, AC blows cold in this one. This car spent its entire life in the same area nearby us here where we're located at. Let you take a look at the front of this car. It does have some rock chips and what have you on the front. Shows about 155,000 on the odometer. It is a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can check out the engine bay, underside of this car, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. Let you get a look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's pretty much free of nicks, dings, or scratches, considering the age. Tell it's well taken care of, stored indoors. Leather interior is free of rips and much wear at all. Same with the carpeting and dash, also in nice shape, shows well. Gentleman that owned this just wasn't driving it enough throughout the summers, would use it a little bit for vacations. That was about it. Decided it was time to pass it on and let somebody else enjoy it. Is willing to listen to reasonable offers. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This is interesting. The Wally McCarthy's dealership badge still on there. One of the largest Cadillac and Oldsmobile dealers back then in the state of Minnesota. Again, still pictures. Check out the underside of this car, interior, engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. You're going to have a few just little nicks, just a light scratch. But again, overall, for the year, miles, the car does show well. All right, let's go ahead, take a peek at this interior. Pull that key so we don't have to listen to the dinging for now. Would have power seats, both sides. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, locks, driver's information center, electronic climate control. This particular one, AM/FM cassette player with equalizer. Take a look at the seats. Again, you can see some wear in the leather, but like I said, free of rips, tears, anything like that. Let's go ahead and start this up. I want to show you the exact miles. So 155,376. If you can see that, you'll be able to see it in the still pictures also. And again, AC does blow cold. Your AM/FM cassette. Take a look at the dash. Also in good shape. Look at that, averaging 19.4 miles a gallon. Not bad. Look at the headliner. Loose in just a couple spots, but not too bad overall. Whoops, sorry about the glare there. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. Not smoking. Sounds like it runs pretty darn smooth. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood and check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the 4.9 liter. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC is cold, and I will give you a little pointer. Where the hood release is on up to the side here. It's not down underneath front and center like a lot of them are. There you you have it. Nice looking two-door. Want to have fun with a classic Cadillac without breaking the bank? Here you go. 1991 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. This car's been in our area its entire life. Clean Carfax. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.